Look at the state of this. You wouldn't even put Nicky juice on that. She's a duck's guts. Welcome back to Clunie Garage. It's Fred here and Fred Jr. behind the camera. Woohoo! Well, today it's a public holiday. We're going to clean all our wheels. Just have a look at the state of these. They've had 5 or 6 track days. And we run a real metallic brake compound. And therefore you get all this sticky juice and dust and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to clean all that up. And we thought, what better way? Share with all you guys and girls how we clean our wheels and tyres. So come over here, Fred Jr. We're using a bit of old Bowden's today. We've got our Tyre, Sheen and Wheelie Clean. And we'll give them a bit of a birthday, bit of a tub as well. So let's get stuck into it. Before we get into the live action though, bit of a Cletus phrase there. A couple of people spotted me in Melbourne. Fred's turned into a celebrity. If you see me out in public, come say good day and I'll send you a free shirt. So before we get stuck into the Wheelie Clean, we're going to give some of this Bowden's Wax and Wash a bit of a go too. This stuff smells fantastic, you know. You put this on your toast in the morning. Lord, Grandad would love a bit of that. So I'm just giving these wheels a nice little soap and suds there, Fred Jr. So I'll hose them off, get ready for part 2, get into the Wheelie Clean, then we'll polish them up. But have a look here, they're looking a bit better, aren't they? Alright, so we've got our little Bowden's Wheelie Clean here. Now it says to spray this stuff on after you've got all the sort of surface sort of mud, dust and grime off. This will get the rest of the brake dust off, which you saw in ours. It's cake like nobody's business. There's sticky juice, there's energy drinks, God knows what's there. So let's put it on. Apparently it turns purple after a minute. Check this out. Just make sure I don't get the horse. Oh, it smells good, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, get that in there. It's been about a minute. You don't want to leave it on longer than that. So I'll just hose it off. They do recommend like a pressure washer, but I've got the old finger on the end of the hose here, so. They're looking cleaner already, Fred Jr. Look at these. Alright, Fred Jr., so we're done. So the Wheelie Clean has turned out pretty good. So this wheel here is off our VF Red line. These are the stock 19-inch wheels. And that's our Einke RPF01, and they've come up a treat. And I've used the Bowden Tyre Sheen as well on our semi-slick tyres here. We run Nankang AR1 semi-slicks. Unfortunately, when you do have clean wheels, it highlights sins of the past. Fred, off the main straight, into the kitty litter, and I've sandblasted our poor old beautiful gloss black wheels here. When I hit the kitty litter at 200 k's an hour, it put little stone chips and stuff all on the inside of my wheel. But apart from that, it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So if you're looking for some really good, you know, car cleaning products and you've got lots of brake dust on your wheels, check out Bowden's. They seem to work for us. So now we've shown you how to, you know, clean your brake dust off your wheels. Check out Mrs. Fred's Audi wheels. I'll tell you what, Fred Jr., I don't know if she's been in the Tour de France or the Targa Tasmania Rally. She's been seriously burrowing that left foot because she's a great left foot braker. Now come over here, the Type R, and I don't know who's been driving it like this, but The Type R needs a bit of brake cleaning as well, and we'll get onto that. Look at this, beautiful Brembo calipers, but as you can see, look at all that brake dust. Oh my god! Now Type R's come out with quite a metallic compound as well, and you'll often hear these cars at low speeds squealing. So I'm going to get my Bowdens onto the Type R. And after I've done the Audi on the Honda, I've got to do the rest of these. Look at all these. I'm going to be here all day. On that note, don't do it for now, do it for Rocky. Catch you later.